I'm gonna give you one tip that helped me go from this to this. And I have never heard anyone give this recommendation before. I mean, I've heard variations of it, but this is good. And before you scroll away, no, I promise this is not some add this nutrient that you've never even heard of to your diet or take this food out. Go with me here. Pick a workout TV show. And you might have heard people in the past say, oh, try watching your favorite show while you're at the gym. This is a completely different thing. Pick a show you have never watched before with, I would say, at least 4 seasons, and each episode has to be 30 minutes or longer. And only allow yourself to watch that show at the gym. I gave one of my amazing followers this tip on my Instagram when they DM me asking for advice on how to stay motivated at the gym, and I told them it was all about building habits. Now, one way you're gonna keep a habit going is if you're motivated to return to it. And what is more motivating than wondering what is gonna happen in the next episode, or what about that series finale? This particular follower started watching Grey's Anatomy, all 1 million seasons of it, and became hooked. I told her to try and think of a show that she had maybe been planning to start for a while, but wasn't sure she had the time. And she said, oh my gosh, I know, that's perfect, Grey's Anatomy. And every day she would either do like 30 or 45 minutes walking on the treadmill or doing the elliptical just so she could watch Grey's Anatomy. Now, she's not done with Grey's Anatomy. Obviously, it's a really long show, but here's the great part. Even if you only pick a show that has, let's say, 5 seasons, and you watch 1 episode per workout, you've already done enough exercising that you've not only built the habit of getting yourself up, going to the gym, knowing what it feels like to move your body, but by then you might have already recognized changes in how you're feeling or even your weight if that's something you're aiming for. For me, I chose The Amazing Race because I was able to see people competing and traveling the globe and doing all these crazy things. And every day I would go back to the gym to see who got eliminated, what crazy adventure they were on, and then of course who won at the end of the season. And if you ask me, I think it's worked pretty well.